Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install and how we can import TensorFlow to create AI projects in Windows 11. If you check out the install documentation in the official TensorFlow website, you will see that we require Python 3.18 to 3.11. We require Ubuntu 16.04 or Windows 7 or later, or macOS 10.12.6, or you can also install TensorFlow 2 via WSL2 on Windows 10. So if you have all these requirements ready or fulfilled, you can go ahead and install TensorFlow. What I've noticed is TensorFlow also installs well on 3.12. So if you have Python 3.12, you should be fine. But if you have any Python version greater than 3.12, you will have to downgrade your Python version. Now, if you have all these requirements met, to install TensorFlow, you can open your terminal and first check if your Python version is in the required range. So the command is python --version. So in my case, as you can see, I have a Python version greater than Python 3.12 or 3.11 as per the documentation. So if this is the case for you too, you will have to downgrade the Python version. Or if you don't have Python installed, you can just go ahead to python.org. This is the website. And then go ahead and hover over downloads, click on view full list of downloads. From here, you can download any older Python version that is compatible with TensorFlow. Once you have installed that, we can go ahead and install TensorFlow. Now, if you want to see a step-by-step video on how you can install an older Python version, check out the link in the description below. Now, once you have installed the older Python version, let's verify that if it is below Python 3.11 or 3.12. Now, the documentation states it has to be Python 3.11, but it also works well with Python 3.12. Perhaps the documentation is not updated. Now, to install TensorFlow, just enter this command. Hit enter and TensorFlow will be installed. Let's wait till the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, you can just import TensorFlow by writing something like this. And now you can use TensorFlow in your Python code. This is how you can install TensorFlow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.